In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a pre-order in Shopify tutorial for beginners. We'll set up pre-orders using a trusted app from the Shopify App Store, and I'll walk you through every click so you can follow along with your own store. Start by opening your Shopify admin. From the sidebar, head to your Apps section and select Add to open the App Store options. Choose Shopify App Store to browse available apps. In the App Store, use the search bar to look for a pre-order app. To keep things stable and compatible, apply the Built for Shopify filter. From the results, select Bat Preorder. Pre-order now. This app makes it simple to add a pre-order button, limit quantities, and manage messaging. Click Install, then confirm the installation back in your Shopify admin to grant the necessary permissions. Once the app opens, follow the onboarding prompts. Click Next, then choose. Set up a pre-order campaign to begin your first configuration. The app will prompt you to activate App Embed in Shopify. This turns on the storefront elements, like the pre-order button, inside your theme. Enable the embed, save your theme changes. Then return to the app and select the option to confirm the pre-order feature is set up and working properly. If you see a status message like App is now disabled, open it and make sure the toggle is on, so the storefront component is active. Inside the App Dashboard, go to the Pre-order section. You'll also see a Back in Stock area, but we'll start with Pre-order. Choose the Pre-order option, then pick the campaign type Single. If you're asked again, confirm Single a second time. Some setups, double-check your selection. Next, set your quantity rules. Open the quantity settings and adjust how many units can be pre-ordered, which helps control overselling before inventory arrives. Under Targeting, choose Product to specify where the pre-order applies. If you see a note like, No products yet, that simply means none are selected. Use the product picker to add the item you want to offer for pre-order and continue. When you're ready to complement pre-orders with demand capture, switch to Back in Stock in the app. You'll notice a status message indicating whether Back in Stock is now active. Open General Settings to review defaults, like button text, placement, and notification preferences, so they align with your store's tone and theme. That's it. You've installed the app, enabled the embed, created a single product pre-order with quantity limits, selected the product, and reviewed Back in Stock settings. Keep your pre-order messaging clear about timing, and you'll be set for a